Okay, hello guys. I think you know what's the purpose of this video, to show the working for each and every question on your TE1. So I'll just do a long video and I will lock it through this loop system, okay, where you can select which second you want to create the link. So I'll create through that way, so you can just press that specific link and then you can access. Okay, the textbook is just for illustration purpose. Okay, so question 1. Okay, I won't write very nice, okay, because you need to understand that I don't have a printer. Okay, I just do the best that I can. Wait, I couldn't get a proper marker. Okay, I got it. So for question 1, they ask you find the mean length. Okay, so let me just write it here quickly. 120, 135, 117, and then we have 10, we have 140, we have 150, 150, 130, and then 28. Okay, so to find the mean, what you need to do, you need to sum all of this. Okay, so sum all of this is 120 plus 133 plus 117 plus 10 plus 140 plus 150 plus 150. Take note, you shouldn't take this long to do it, okay, because I'm copying back everything. Okay, so how many number we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so you divide by 9. Okay, you press in calculator, up this will give you 880 over 9, so that will give you 97.7. so of course you need to round off this to become 98 kilometer. Okay, I know in the objective there's two answers, you very close to each other. They gave you 97 kilometer as well. Okay, but 97 kilometer we cannot use. Okay, because why? It's 97.7, so we need to take the next round off. Okay, which is 97.7. okay, so that's question number 1. Moving forward, question number 2. Okay, so for question number 2, they said that the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so they gave you I write here, question number 2, they gave you a shape. Okay, the shape look like this. So 8 cm followed by 6 cm. Okay, so they say the perimeter of this rectangle is same like with the circumference of a circle. Okay, so circumference of a circle, first you need to know what's the formula of circumference of a circle. Okay, circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. So they say when we find this perimeter, okay, so the perimeter for A, okay, I'll just label A. Perimeter for A will be 2 times 6 plus 2 times 8. Okay, so that will give you approximately about 28, not approximate, accurately 28 cm. So this parameter, okay, this figure should be same as the circumference. So we can put here lah. So we already found. So 2 pi r. So by basic shifting, okay, divided by 2 pi. Okay, they say calculate your answer in terms of decimal. So you divide, you should get about 4.4563. Okay, so your answer, you have there few. Okay, so of course you will take the 4.46. Okay, don't go take the 4.45. Okay, because of the round off the decimal. Okay, I mean the question didn't specifically tell you, but you should know. Okay, because I think in the question there's an instruction, you must live to 3 significant figures. So when we round off to 3 as f, okay, that's how you get the answer there. Okay, so moving forward, question number 3. Okay, so for question number 3, they just ask you the plane of symmetry. I seen this question, nothing much for me to do lah here. Okay, it's just a cuboid. Maybe I can get some shape to show you. Okay, we have a shape here. Okay, even you can check in the marking scheme, is Mirisha already show. So imagine this is the cuboid. Okay, if I take up to here, it will give me, I cut in the middle here, left and right will be the same. And then if I cut at here, also it give me left and right. So imagine you cut here, so left and right will be the same. So you got one here, you got one here, and then you got one more like this. Okay, so you see, I can cut like this, left and right the same. I also can cut here, left and right the same. Another one I can cut here, left and right the same. So that's pretty much how the answer is come up. So there's only 3 plane of symmetry for a cuboid. Okay, you can actually see the diagram on the worksheet as well, but I think that's the answer. So nothing much to talk here. So moving forward, question number 4. Question number 4, they give you a triangle. Okay, they give you a triangle. Sorry, I won't use ruler because it's a long video, you know. Okay, so we have 29 cm, x cm. They ask you calculate the value of x. Okay, so you want to find the value of x. There's few ways you can do. Okay, just a little recap. We have car, saw, and 12. Okay, so we have to use one of this method. So for this angle, what do we have and what we want to find? We have our hypotenuse and we want to find our opposite. Okay, so opposite and hypotenuse, the only formula that link both to each other, which is opposite and hypotenuse. This one. Okay, Sine lah, huh? So sine 53.2 equals to x over 29. So shifting that will give you x equals to 29 sine 53.2. Okay, so you press in your calculator, you should get 23.2. okay, so that's the answer, that 23.2 is there. Okay, you must remember three significant figure. Okay, please remember, so you round off to, you press in your calculator, you round off to three significant figure. So that's question 4. Moving forward, question 5. Okay, question 5 is a trigonometric question.